Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you simple but elegant Christmas DIYs using inexpensive items like these ornaments that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. Now let's get started. To add a touch of sparkle, I'm adding Dollar Tree Silver Metallic Pearl Wrap. I've decided to add a bit of white paint to Santa's beard. Once my paint and glue were completely dry, I used a strong adhesive to glue the ornaments onto bathroom accessories also from Dollar Tree. For DIY number 2, I'm using 5 Dollar Tree octagon candle holders and more of the ornaments. I removed the black tabs and stickers from 4 of the candle holders. I then used a strong adhesive to glue all 4 together. To hold my design together, I'm also using these Dollar Tree wooden cubes. I then added my 5th candle holder face down. I wiped away the excess glue and I allowed this to dry for about 2 hours. I then carefully flipped my design over before adding my remaining cubes. Next, I added Dollar Tree magnetic buttons to all 4 sides. Next, I added Dollar Tree floral foam and eucalyptus to the center. I'm using more of the silver metallic pearl wrap. Now my ornaments. Not only will adding the magnets to my ornaments make them super cute refrigerator magnets, but they'll also make my new floral arrangement a bit more festive. Using the magnets instead of gluing the ornaments directly to the glass will allow me to remove the ornaments and use this floral arrangement all year long. For DIY number 3, I'm using Dollar Tree glitter ribbon, square candle holders, tumbling tower wood game pieces, and stickers. Here, I'm re-adding the black tabs that I removed from the bottom of my candle holders to the top. Next, I'm covering my Tower Game wood pieces with the glitter ribbon. The Dollar Tree offers tons of stickers and small ornament options that can be used for this project, but I've opted for the super simple silver metallic removable stickers instead. I really love how all 3 DIYs turned out. I think they're beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. Which one is your favorite this week? I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.